Hey everybody, so this is going to be a real quick BIM 360 tip. So right now I'm in a project hub, or I'm in my company's hub, and we have a demonstration project set up for 2020 models, and we have a few different folders in here. These folders and the way they're structured is all dependent on your standards and whatnot, so don't worry about these too much. What I want to show you is how to get notified when somebody uploads a file to a folder. So you may want to do this with consultants to know when they've uploaded their models, or have initiated a collaboration model. Or maybe you want to do this for PDF folders, or if you have a CAD folder, just so that you're notified and you're aware of what's being put on BIM 360. And to do it is really easy. So we have this folder here, so it's called feature test, and it has a couple sample models for a training that we did. And say if anything was to be updated in here, and I want to know, what I need to do is click on the folder, come over here to the three dots, and then this dialog box will be expanded, and then we can come down here to subscribe. We click on subscribe, and then we can look here. It says get email notifications when there are changes in this folder. So we can say this folder or this folder and all subfolders. So it could just be the folder itself, and then it won't update us if something gets updated in the consume folder or another subfolder. But if we do want to get notified for those as well, then we can set it up for this folder and all subfolders. When we subscribe to that, then we will get a email notification just telling us, hey, something's been added to BIM 360. Do you want to check it out or whatnot? So I just wanted to share that. I think that's a really helpful tip, especially if you want to monitor a very involved project. Say you're very involved on a project, you want to monitor it so you're aware of what's going on. So you can be proactive with it, check it out, verify if it's a model, verify that you can open it and link it and whatnot. Check if there's the correct permissions are in place, whatever the case. But it's a more proactive way of monitoring what's going on in the BIM 360 project. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to reach out. Appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one.